decided I don't want to go to the dance with any of you. I think I'm gonna go with Bree and Grace. Let me go find them now.
What the?
What?
Riley?
You know what? I just want some space. Maybe I'll see you later.
Are you seeing this?
What's happening? It's going on its own. Oh, what is happening? What is happening?
I'm just gonna get some fresh air.
It's coming!
I would die for you! Please, give me a...
This is all a little much.
That's it! I'm waking her up! What the? What happened to the wake-up button?
Oh no.
Oh no! Riley! Riley!
Hey, watch it.
Don't worry! We got you, boss!
Riley? No!
I just